Mullen i'w chymryd i. Fletcher at y postyn agosa, postyn pesha oddi ar y linell. Campus gan Woolridge. Captain Met Caerdydd am gyfle yn gynnar. Ryan Leek oedd ar y postyn pella, neb yn ei weld e. Y gŵr ar fenthyg y Wolves. Hudson, Spender. Pas dda at Mullen, mae Fletcher yn disgwyl yn y canol. Ar y postyn agosa, Fletcher yn sodli, Chislev eisiau taro'r postyn. Yw i dal yno, Seintiau Newydd, Spender yn cyrraedd yn hwyr. Ysgoriodd ein i gêm ddiwetha, mae'n ffansio un arall, ond symudiad da, mae'r Seintiau di taro'r postyn. Mae Met i clirio un oddi ar y linell. Ond mae'n dal yn ddisgwr. Yn pwy sydd ble o ran y Seintiau Newydd, Holland a Mullen. Holland i'w chymryd i. Mae Fletcher ar y postyn pella. Mae dal yno, acrobataeth oedd hi ddim yn bell gan Aaron Edwards. Hanner cyfle. Bydde honna wedi bod yn gôl a hanner hefyd. Joel Edwards at Cosby. Yw Cosby am fentro. Baker. Symudiad taclus. Cynhyrfus gan Met Caerdydd. A mae Cosby yn ei tharoi ochr y cwt Cosby. Wel, dyna'r gorau gan y tîm cartre hyd yn hyn. Angen canolbwyntio o'r dechrau i'r diwedd yn erbyn y Seintiau Newydd. A mae Fletcher yn glir am gyfle oedd honna. Basg am brobl yn creu'r lle i Wes Fletcher. Ac oedd hwnna'n gyfle da. Os na le. Mae Met Caerdydd yn bygwth yn hwyr yn y gêm. Yr eilydd, Howell. Heibio i ddau, mae yna gyfle, Will Evans yn disgwyl am hon, Will Evans ar bediad campus gan Harrison, mae dal yno i Met. O, am eiliad, oedd hi'n edrych fel gol, mae Rhys am fentro yn wyllt. Ond yr eilydd, Gwion Howell yn dal i fynd, heibio un rywsut, braidd yn ffodus, y bas yn gywir. A pwy sy'n gweud bod Harrison yn cael bywyd hawdd yn y gol i'r Seintiau?
First time you've picked up a point against TNS since you've returned to the Welsh Premier League, and also you're top tonight, by the way.
Yeah, I don't look too much into that. There's 11 other clubs that are hunting us down, and it's important that we save the moment. But we've already speaking about Connah's Quay next week, and Connah's Quay is a totally different game. Equally respectful of Connah's Quay, and he's done a fantastic job there. But we're battered and bruised tonight. But I said before the game that you have to earn the respect to win football games, and I think TNS both earned our respect tonight, and we earned theirs.
From our point of view, disappointed that we didn't win and get the 3 points, but I don't think many teams are going to come here and steamroller this team because they're, like I say, well organised, they're well drilled, and they're a good side. So yes, a point is a point, and I wanted 3, but not too disappointed on the performance.
Yeah, that is an accusation. You do get mentioned as being full-time a lot. Does that get to you at all?
I think the comment about 8 days suggests that that we just laugh it off, and it's interesting that we do train 8 days a week. I must be the only team in world football, but that's so be it.
Sis, he's there, and I was celebrating. I've got to admit, I was celebrating the goal, but he's hit the post and he's in the right position. We are creating chances, so I'm not too concerned on that front. Another clean sheet as well, so we're doing okay defensively. Thanks to Paul Harrison at the end there with a great save. It was a brilliant save, just a reaction one. But yeah, you can't go into the dressing room and scream and shout because they're doing everything that I ask of them. So sometimes you've got to take your hat off to the opposition as well.